Hello trader, in this video I'll show you how to use my personal bot. It works with the help of artificial intelligence. So you can use it, just follow the link and follow my Telegram. I'll show you some instructions how to use it. I can get with this bot like $2,000 and of course you can do this with me. So today I'll show you how to use this, my personal bot. And I'll show you some parameters and how I set it. So here we are on the pocket option. Our balance is $200 in this. It's my basic amount. So time frame is 1 minute on the chart. So we go to our bot. Here we can choose any concept time frame 1 minute, and we click start signals. So no more instructions. You can click support if you have some questions, and so speed up. So we see down deal, we go to the pocket option, to our concept pair, and open down deal. So this is how it works. So simple. I use it in my group, my team also use it, and you can use it also. So let's see how our chart is work. So downtrend we see, let's see, we see 4 seconds left until the end. Yeah, plus DL we see $360 our balance. Get our first deal. So I think it's not complicated. Our first deal is in plus. Let's increase the deal amount to 300, I suppose, yeah. Increase our profits. We choose another concept 1 minute time frame and start signals. Yeah, down deal we see. And we move on to the next concept. Don't forget about this. If you're struggling to understand trading indicators or disappointed with the results, you're probably losing money. My free trading team is here to help you. Every day I share trading signals that you can copy manually or automatically by connecting to my social trading. I'm always ready to help you at every step. If you need to make $50 or even more, $1,000 per day, join my Telegram group now then, and you'll find interesting stories of new buys and real results. The number of places is limited, so do not miss the chance. Join today and start your profitable trading. Yeah, some recovery was drawdown will indeed, I think no, some drawdown. Let's see. 4 seconds left. Let's look at the our chart. Yeah, $600 on our balance. Yeah, our balance is increased. You can use this bot absolutely for free. Choose another currency pair, start signals, get signals. We go to the pocket option. Yeah, we should do it quickly, and choose another currency pair. So you can get this bot by follow the link in the description and go to my Telegram channel and write to me plus bot, and I'll give you some instructions how to use it for free. So what we see now on our chart, 20 seconds left. Let's see. 4 seconds. Yeah, 0 deal. So it happens 3 deals, we won. And we go to the bot. We have 4th concept app. Choose another concept app. Start signals. 1 minute time frame. We see downtrend and open our deal. Down deal. Let's see. Speed it up. 3 seconds. Yeah, plus deal. It's perfect. $750 we have. It's good result, I think. So you can do it like me. So go to my Telegram channel or write to me +bot and I'll give you some instructions how to use it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.